the Credit Risk Initiative Award. And it is. Okay. The Credit Risk Initiative Award goes to the company that has shown significant measures within their team over the last year, resulting in improvements in collection, with special attention to strengthening credit risk and potential bad debt. This year's nominees are Aptiv, Coca-Cola Euro-Pacific Partners, MOL GBS, Slovakia. The Credit Risk Initiative Award this year is presented to a team that focused a good deal of energy on their credit policy, specifically developing a new formula for something that they have called the Credit Horizon, aligning the policy more closely with the realities of business strategies, removing time-wasting obstacles that have enabled them to spend less time on unnecessary credit blocks and other tasks that have served as time constraints. This has enabled the company to move more functionally into the GBS, resulting in the movement of more units into credit management within the GBS. I'm guessing that the company that's nominated, by the explanation, probably knows who they are. We still need a drum roll.
We do. We do.
And the winner is... Aptiv!
Hey! Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations, everybody.
Congratulations.
I can see you jumping up there.
Zoe, congratulations.
Okay, let's have a photo. Just come forward a wee bit for the photo. Yeah. We've got everybody in. Yeah. Okay. Anyone want to say a few words? The floor is yours. The floor is yours. All right. Well done, everybody. Okay.
First off, I'd just really like to say thank you for a wonderful event. I mean, it's been an amazing conference. There's been a huge amount of talent and you know, networking and knowledge around the area. This award actually is really Natalia's baby. I think most of you already know who Natalia is because she's the most bobulist person around that we have on our team. But it's been an amazing process. She's done a really good job and it's well deserved. And thank you very much for the nomination.
Thank you. Congratulations. Well done. Go on.
Just one word, which is our main sentence, go Aptiv.